How to delete Discord account in Android or iOS. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can delete Discord account after the latest update on both iOS and Android device. Now to do so, first what you want to do is open up the Discord app and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll get interface somewhat like this here that you can see. Now what you want to do is head out to your profile by tapping on the little emoji icon. You can see it at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it and you'll be headed here. Now next what you want to do is tap on the account option that you can see, the third option, account there. Tap on it, and if you scroll all the way down below, you'll find two different options: disable account or delete account. Now since you want to delete account, you can simply tap on delete account. If you want to disable account, you can tap on disable account and just disable the account. Now tap on delete account and it'll ask you for password, and what you want to do is once you type in your password, simply tap on OK, and once you do this, your account will be deleted. So this way you can delete Discord account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.